So what are you going to teach us in this seminar?
Okay, so let me tell you what I'm not going to teach you. Okay, I'm not going to teach you about sales. I'm not going to teach you about closing, marketing, promotion, any of those things. But I am going to teach you how to become wealthy. How do you become wealthy? Wealth is the result of a state of mind. Wealth is the result of your spiritual condition. If you can actually handle your state of mind, if you're in a good spiritual condition, money comes to you.
That sounds amazing. Okay, now what do people need to know when they're coming in? What kind of preparation do they need before they arrive?
I expect from you two things. Number one, you need to insist that you understand each and every word I say. So you need to insist to understand, and I'm going to guarantee that I will explain any words you want. So any question as much as you want, I will answer. There's no stupid questions, there's only stupid unquestioned questions.
Questions that don't get asked, that are sitting in your mind.
Yes, that you didn't ask them. So you've got a question that stays a question with you, that's stupid. Ask, get the answer, okay? And number two, we're going to do drills. You need to participate because I'm teaching you, on the one hand, some theory, but if you don't learn how to apply it, it's useless. It stays in your head and nothing happens. So if you want to be a professor, you can go to the university and be a professor, but I'm talking about going to 2024, going into this race and ending up 2024 with you being wealthy, not with you being smart. I want you to be smart wealthy, not just smart. It's not enough to be smart. Because in this universe, in the Western universe, the only real crime that you can do is not having enough money.
Amazing. Okay, great. So we're going to put all the info down below.
Yep. Be there. And by the way, it's guaranteed. If by the end of the seminar, for whatever reason, you feel you didn't get the result you defined that you want to get, you get your money back guarantee on the spot. Like 100%. You'll get your money back. Not a problem.
That's amazing.
Now why I can get this guarantee? Because I know I will give you the 100%. I'll bring the result. All you have to do is make sure you understand every word, and number two, participate. The rest on me.
Amazing. See you guys there.
See you. Bye.